Good evening, Kaiju of the Night. GoJ51 here with a new unboxing. Just got this from Vampire Robots. And, enough talk. Let's get it open. Yeah, kind of. You're seeing a box this big. What could it be? Crap. One second. Lots of popcorn. There we go. So, finally got it out. Where'd my knife go? Knife. Oh, come on. Alright, so got that out. First time getting something from Vampire Robots, and yeah, they put a lot of packaging peanuts in there. Here I am on the top of it, like, ooh, scary Titan. But anyway, what did I get? The Diamond reissue of Godzilla 92 from the film Godzilla vs. Mothra. From the Heisei series, also known as Godzilla vs. Mothra, The Battle for Earth. Godzilla and Mothra, The Battle for Earth. So enough talk, open. Oh my. Oh my. Okay. Let's get him out of here. Alrighty then. Here he is inside of his plastic casket. And finally, I get to use my wire cutters. Alright then. Well, I missed one. Of course I missed one. I always miss one. I guess the tail doesn't want to wait. There's the tail. I'm glad it's curving to that side because I can put it with the other Heisei Godzillas that I have. Let's get him out. That protective thing for his dorsal plates. Very nice. Very snazzy. Okay. Gloves are off. Now for the bootsies. Bootsies are off. Alright, first impressions, he's very squishy, soft. Look at that. A nice squish. Okay. Ooh, waiting to say this for a while, but this guy has a date with a blow dryer. Be right back. And here we are. Godzilla 92 from X Plus Diamond reissue. First time shopping with Vampire Robots. Okay. Figure looks great. Very squishy, very easy to get the tail on. Just apply a little heat to the butt, anal cavity, whatever you want to call it, and then just press the tail in. But he looks great. Diamond, thank you very much once again for reissuing this figure. I saw several reviews on it and thought, hey, I want to get this. Yeah, everyone had it for like $800 here, $1,000 there. It's like, I know you're probably sick of hearing me say that, but thank you, Diamond, for reissuing it. And Vampire Robots, Great job with the shipping, except the peanuts, but you know, I don't think anybody likes packaging peanuts, but whatever. He looks great. Now, for the figure itself, enough kissing ass. The box, first off, as you saw earlier, this is quite a massive box. Look at that. Seriously, that's a lot of box for this figure. Okay, then I'd be extra safe with him, I guess. But hey, all right. So we got the charcoal gray skin, tree bark skin as well. Got the bone white dorsal plates, looking great. Godzilla is looking upward in a roaring fashion, kind of like he's looking up at a flying Mothra or Batra. Hey, maybe in the future we can get like a flying Heisei Mothra and Heisei Batra. You know, adult forms. You know, just an idea. He has his arms upright, like he's ready for an attack, or like he's in motion of breathing fire. The eyes have that orange and brown, like kind of golden color to them. Looking great. With a little bit of pressure, you can close the mouth, but it will just reopen. Now, looking at the teeth, they're individually sculpted, and you can clearly see that he has 2 extra teeth growing around his right side. Looking great. Pink tongue. Got that awesome look to him. Okay. Awesome stance that he's in. He's going to look great on the shelf because, you know, the tail does curl to the right, and the way how some of the other X Plus, mainly the Heisei figures, like the Yuji Sakai 91 and the 89 figure Diamond reissue, all their tails are kind of curving off to the right. So, yeah, now that his is curving off to the right as well, he'll fit right on the stand that I have him with. Right over here. Right there. And he is gorgeous. Very fresh. Looks like he just came out of the line. I give this buddy a recommend. I'll put a link in the description where you can order yours. Also, I think Flossie's is also selling it as well. Give them a drop as well. And that's pretty much it. One final thing, though, I just thought of. Since I got this earlier in the year. Or was it last year? All these days are kind of rolling into each other. We have Batra larva. Now the 2 of them standing next to each other, that's about film accurate right there, the way how they're standing. Great little comparison. So, alright, put you back. And that is that. Hope y'all enjoyed this. I enjoy this figure very much so. Later in the month I found out that the 84 figure is coming out a little ahead of schedule. I can't wait for that. And a couple other surprises coming up. But until then, it's Coach J51 saying goodnight. Please enjoy, comment, like, subscribe, share, all that other good stuff. See y'all later.